At ACDLabs, we believe that implementing quality by design into your process should be a help, not a hindrance. Luminata is an informatics system designed to facilitate quality by design adherence and cut your time spent on impurity data from months to minutes. Replace tedious transcription with an intuitive system that brings all your impurity data together on one interoperable platform. From there, you can search, review, update, collaborate, and share all your insights. That way, you can ensure data integrity and reduce reporting burdens. Then, get back to doing what you do best, great science. And while you're working, Luminata automatically assembles all data for each relative component at every stage. Luminata then takes all that data and builds an interactive process map, so you can make quick, confident decisions and keep your projects on track. Luminata from ACDLabs, the only informatics system built to align with your workflow and help you adhere to QBD principles without hindering progress. Contact us today and cut your impurity data time investment from months to minutes.